How to replace your FitPro band strap. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to change the strap of the FitPro watch. Watch me change my watch strap. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. The broken strap wrapped in plastic is what I broke in Hokkaido, Japan because I wore it when I wanted to play in the snow. Here is another image of it. You can throw the broken strap away. And here is the image of the new strap. Since I have bought it from Lazada, this should not be broken. I will use a new strap to go holiday, and the broken strap could not be used. It is broken into so many pieces. It could not be used. Let's use the new strap. You can search for the replacement strap when you open Lazada. If Lazada is not installed on your phone, you can go to Google Play Store to install Lazada. When you search replacement straps, there are reliable results. It is easy to find what you broke. Choose what you like. Looking for more relevant results? Add M7 to your search. When you choose, it will take weeks for it to be delivered. Let's fit the fitness tracker. It fits. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.